Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cash App by Square, full guide step by step clearly. To install Cash App by Square, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. For Android users, this is the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Cash App and press enter. Look for the app with the green icon and white $sign. Tap on the app to open its page. Review the app details and features. When ready, locate and tap the install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Cash App. You will be greeted with the welcome screen. Tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your phone number or email address. After entering your information, tap Next. You will receive a confirmation code via text or email. Enter the code in the designated field. Next, create a secure password for your account. Follow the prompts to set up your profile. You may be asked to link a bank account or debit card. Provide the necessary details for linking your banking information. Once linked, your Cash App account is ready for use. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to send and receive money using Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.